G'day guys, Curtis from Snowy's Outdoors here. Today we'll be looking at the Zempire W Leg Stretcher. It's a great compact unit for kids, easy for family trips. It's rated to 60 kilos and its pack dimensions are 70 by 28 by 5. So within this convenient carry bag you'll find 8 segments to make 2 poles, 4 legs and the 600 denier polyester stretcher itself. In the next segment I'll show you how to set this up. So when putting the pole together, you need to make sure that the straight pole with the rubber cap is heading towards the end, and the one with the slight bend, the rubber cap, is staying towards the top. As you put the poles together, make sure the large rivet holes are showing and not the smaller ones. Later on, you'll have to connect the legs into these larger holes. Place all 4 pieces together like so. Again, making sure those holes are in line. This last part can be a little bit tricky. As it's quite a tight fabric and there's a bit of a bend in the pole, you have to sort of force the canvas over the top of the pole. So while placing the legs in, you'll find there's a bit of force on them. You have to bend them quite hard to slot them into the rivets. Just be careful guiding it in that doesn't flick out and catch you. Once you've placed all 4 of these in, you can then turn it over and it should be ready to go. So disassembling this is quite a simple procedure. Start by taking out the spring legs. I find it's easiest to hold down on the bottom of the mat here and just pull these out. Just be careful when you take these out. As they're under a bit of tension, they have a bit of a tendency to pop as you pull them out. The next thing you need to do is release the tension of the poles at the end here. Just simply slide these out as they went in. So occasionally, sometimes these poles won't hold together. Don't freak out, it's okay. Just slowly find the section to the next hole here and pull it out. Again, there's always an easy access to pull these poles out from. Lastly, to get it back into the carry bag, fold it all up. So before you roll it up, just make sure that you have 8 sections again. Rolling it inside the stretcher itself will help the metal be protected while you're carrying it around. So all of this here is what packs back into this carry bag. Remember, for more information on this product, head to snowys.com.au, where we have everyday low prices and free shipping Australia-wide. Catch you next time.